Before I pronounce the man and wife, is there anyone here who knows any reason why Prince Ali and Princess Jasmine should not be joined in marriage? Wonderful. Now then.
Wait,
Ali.
I do.
My boy, we know you do. Wedding day jitters.
Jasmine, I mean I'm not.
Not what? He's not a prince. He's a fake, a common street rat.
I don't understand.
Yes, indeed, folks. Aladdin.
So it was you at the marketplace. You're the boy from the marketplace?
Yes, Your Majesty, sir.
Jasmine, this wedding cannot take place. A princess cannot marry anything less than a prince.
But father.
The wedding is off.
Not quite, Excellent. In accordance to the ancient law of Agrabah, the princess must be wed to me. No! Read the skull, read the skull.
I will never marry you, Jafar. Never.
Should the princess fail to marry a prince in the time allotted, the sultan's highest ranking official, blah, 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 becomes her husband and next sultan. Oh! Exactly. Now, my dear little princess, I'm gonna have your friend Aladdin killed.
Now, guard! Jafar, get a hold of yourself.
Seize the old man too.
What is the meaning of this? I am sultan.
Not anymore. Now I have all the power.
Behold!
The lamp! Genie of the lamp, appear! What would it be?
Genie, no!
Genie, yes!
So, I guess I have your master now.
He who is in possession of the lamp is the genie's master. That would be me. Put your hand up, anybody who has got 3 wishes. Just me then. Genie, I wish to be sultan.
Magic powers. Now you're sultan. Are we through yet?
No, we're just getting started, and now you miserable wretches bow down to my awesome power.
We will never bow down to you, Jafar.
We don't,
Yeah!
we don't have to. Jafar, the fact is you're not so powerful.
I'm more powerful than anyone on Earth.
Big deal. The genie's the one with the real power. You need him to grant your wishes. Without him, you're not so high.
Yes, thank you, street rat, for telling me exactly what I wish. Here is my wish, slaves. I wish to be the most powerful genie on Earth.
But if I do that,
There. Now you're a genie. At last, all power is mine.
I've got a very bad feeling about this.
What? What is happening?
A very, very bad feeling. It's my all-time feeling.
hey, Jafar! No, there's no place like home.
Ah!
Jafar, you got your wish. Phenomenal cosmic power. Itty bitty.
Yay!
Better bury this 1,000 miles underground so that no one will ever rub it and send Jafar back into the world.
Is this kind of genius?